Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to hack blockheads. So first, you need to root your device and go to root browser. But you can also do this in your iPhone. So go to data.
No man legal website.
Shh.
Mana?
Go to data again. So go down until you find blockheads, because I'll show you one little thing. You need to download this thing. Huh? You got to download it from the internet. So get back to where we first go. That's data. You need to copy then paste it. So go to blockheads. This works for iPhone. Then go to until you there noodle cake blockheads. So go to files, library, application support, saves. So you'll find all of your things here. I got mine here. So find the character you want to hack. This is just a decoy. Remember, this is just a decoy. Oh wait, this is mine. So here, 22. Oops, wrong. 22. Wrong again. There. See? Go. You see that? Then you paste this. You paste this the blockhead inventory.bin. Then
ibalik na ka mama. Ibalik na ka mama. Mama, wala ibalik yung wallet.
Ano ba itong blue?
Then you paste it here. So you will see. You will see a long list here. Then you delete but remember the number of that inventory. Then put it to the 111 inventory, the 14 or what number of your inventory of the middle. Then poof, go to blockheads. Then poof, let the magic happen. Look at mine for proof. Just wait. Here, look. Oh my god, I'm lagging. There, oh. See the proof? This is what you get. There's more. Look at this chest. Look at all the chests. When you have full, you will see 8 chests there. Then put it. And then have fun. Goodbye!